Okay, what we have here is the V8 engine that we're test fitting into the Phi Alpha 10 frame. And as you can see, we have some issues with the with interference. We'll have to locate the brakes. Instead of being over here, we'll locate the brakes on the other side. This shaft will accommodate a centrifugal clutch, or it could accommodate a variable speed clutch that could be mounted to that. This particular design has a hand start, so that's where this is going to be a hand start, hand, not crank, but rope start will be mounted to this. Also on this end, we'll probably be putting a water pump and things like that. So we're looking for clearances, see how well it's going to fit here. We may have some issues with the valve covers. I'll be working closely with those, and then wrapping the exhaust probably can be wrapped around this direction towards the back, so it'll fit with the dual exhaust that already exists. So that's where we're at right now. We're just doing some basic test fit ups. Today I worked on an oil pan for the unit. It has some cooling fins mounted to it, both in front and underneath here, and it's tapered down. This is not going to be a dry sump. It will have a sump in it. It'll have oil reservoir in there. Little things that I'll have to keep in mind here is obviously we're going to have a drain hole plug put into the bottom here, so it'll come off the back like you would in a conventional motor. So again, this motor, if you were running alcohol, you could probably get 20 horsepower easy out of it. But as it is, it's a 300 cc or 18 cubic inch engine, so it should be like 9 horsepower. And 9 to 12 horsepower works really great on this frame design. So that's where we're at.